Now let us look at two more laws of indices of positive indices. Here we have an example. The bases are different, but the powers are the same. We can rewrite the cube as 5 times 5 times 5 and 7 times 7 times 7. We will group the 5 and 7 together, and here we have 5 times 7 multiplied 3 times. We will have 5 multiplied by 7 brackets cube. Let's look at another example. A to the power of 5 times b to the power of 5. Again, the bases are different, but the powers are the same. We will rewrite the expression this way. By regrouping the a and the b's, how many groups of a and b's do you see here? Yes, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 a multiplied by b. And hence we have a multiplied by b to the power of 5. Next we have 8 multiplied by p to the power of 4. And we can rewrite it in this way. 8 multiplied by p multiplied 4 times. And we'll regroup the 8 and the p's in this way. And hence we have 8 to the power of 4 multiplied by p to the power of 4. Do you see any patterns in these examples? Do take note again that in these examples the bases are different and the powers are the same. Now let's try to simplify this. Yes, we can easily simplify it to x multiplied by y to the power of 6. Usually for algebra, we do not need to write the multiplication sign, and hence we will write it as xy brackets to the power of 6. In general, a to the power of m multiplied by b to the power of m can be rewritten as ab brackets to the power of m. An easy way to remember is you can actually put in the m and you will get a to the power of m multiplied by b to the power of m. And hence this is our fourth law of indices. Now let's look at the examples whereby we still have the same power but different bases. But now we do division. 6 to the power of 3 divided by 5 to the power of 3 can be written in this form as well. We can rewrite it as 6 over 5 multiplied by 6 over 5 multiplied by 6 over 5. By grouping all the 6 together and the 5 together, we have 6 over 5 cubed. To look at another example, a to the power of 4 divided by b to the power of 4. We will write it in fraction form. Since a to the power of 4 is a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by a, and likewise for b to the power of 4, we can rewrite in this form. And hence the final answer is a over b bracket to the power of 4. Let's look at one last example. 7 over p to the power of 5. We will rewrite it in this way. And finally we have 7 to the power of 5 over p to the power of 5. Do you see any pattern in these examples? In general, a over b to the power of n is equals to a to the power of n, b to the power of n. An easy way of remembering is we can actually bring in all the powers. And hence we have our fifth law of indices. In summary, what have we learned in this lesson? Previously, we have learned these three laws of indices whereby all the bases are the same. Now we learn two more laws of indices where the bases are different but the powers are the same. Do remember to go through the next two PowerPoints for more examples so that you can better understand this chapter. That's all.